Hello friends, my name is Mingu Mittal. Today I am going to tell you what I did today. Today I made report in made a word report in Eclipse. I can show you how can I make report. First, I have to make a data source. I'm showing you how can we create a data source. We need to make connection with database. I'm using MySQL, so I need to make connection with MySQL. First, I have added a .jar file which I have on desktop. We can see here. We can see here this com.mysql.jdbc.jar file. This is necessary to make connection with MySQL database. First, we need to learn how to connect, uh, how to create a data source. We have option there, data source. That data source I created. Let me tell you how to create it. Right click on data source, then go to new data source. Choose data JDBC data source and then give a name like JDBC new data source. So this is how we can create data source. We need to mention here driver class, which is form.mysql. Which we added. I already told you we need to add a driver .jar file, so we can get a driver class. Database URL, which is JDBC MySQL, and then our computer name localhost, which is, and then the database name, then username, which is root, and the password is sorry, and test connection here. Now test connection. Okay, wait a minute, I will check. uh, so I get to know why are we getting error. We added two, we just need one, so now test connection successful. Okay, then finish. Then we got our data source. Now we need to create a data set. Means we need to create queries. Click on data set, right click on, and we got new data set, and the data set name, which is like new, we had given. Next, then we can give here query which we need to perform, like we have given select star from, we can choose customer source, customer master. We can view its all value, so we can choose all the table. Yes, then click on finish. We can set parameter as well. We can see output columns. We can preview result as well. We get the result, like we can add parameter there, like from new param, and the link parameter. This distributor ID and generated by is already given by me. So we can make use of various things. Now I'm showing you what I have created. This query dataset which I have created, I will show you. Here we can see the query which I have made. I'm sorry. We need to select various things like customer code, customer name, address, various address, email, customer phone, city name, states, country name. We need to concatenate these three things because we need to show them together. We need to select them from customer master table. We can put inner join so we can get the data from the two tables. We can make another join so we can get the country name from the country code. We can make another join to get the state name from the state code. So we can add their where clause to get the parameter here. So we can get the parameter and the customer code. It can show all the data we need which we write in the query. Now I will show you the parameters. Here we can see the parameter distributor ID. I will show you what it is. The name is param1, data type string. We need direction given is input because we didn't get any output from it. We gave it to distributor ID so it can give us the specific distributor ID and their relative values. So we can preview results to check so we can get there when we perform it. So if we need to make parameter, we need to first make here like new parameter option. We can write here, then click on OK, so we can get new parameters. So this is what we got here. I will show you a master page which can be seen everywhere. When we create various reports, we need to show it on master page, so we can preview it. So we get enter parameter we need to fill it. Like we fill distributor ID 110 and generated by, like I said, my name is Minku. New parameter which I just added now. So we have give anything which we want to give, like I give my surname. It doesn't matter because we didn't give any reference to it, so doesn't matter. Click on OK. Now we are going to see our report. So we got finally a report which is we got the customer ID, customer name, customer address, address 123 which is, and the states. First we got city, then got state, then got country, then got phone number. This can be taken from the database. I can show you the database as well. I will show you if is it existing or not. So this is our layout. So in the end we got the generated by Minku. We mentioned here set page number 1 and printed on the date which we require the most in the report. So this is our best database we need to, and I will show you the ID 110